we are going.
YouTube, another quick video, another time, another day, but whatever. I got myself some black ZX10R heel guards for the ZX10, only because I'm trying to get the side of the bike to look as black and gray as I possibly can. I don't want to change out my rear sets, only because these rear sets are actually comfortable to me, but maybe sometime in the future I may change them out. But in this video, we're just going to change out the heel guards. I've already loosened up these, as you guys can see, and I went on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description below for where I got these, and I got these ZX10 heel guards for the bike. I'm the type of person, I don't like letters on anything I own, so if there was a way I can get this ZX10 off, which I can't, I was even thinking to put them on backwards. Maybe that would save me a look, but as you can see, it's actually like indented here to make it look a little bit better. I wish it wasn't, but nevertheless, we're gonna install some heel guards today in this video. That left hand, it gotta be strong. All right, let me just see what it's gonna look like. So once I install this, it's gonna basically look like that. So this has to go on this side. I can't put it the other way. And then as you can see, this part is bent in, just like where my thumb is bent in. So I'm just gonna put these on the bike real quick, give it a little black look. This chrome here or whatever this is actually match this and this. So I think it's gonna make it look a little bit better instead of all this chrome here. And as you can see, my boots actually does rest on this when I'm turning. So I'm gonna install this real quick, just stay tuned. Also keep in mind, I am leaving a link in the description below of where I got the heel guards from, if you wanna get the set of these for your bike. So yeah, let me knock these off real quick and install the new ones. I think it's gonna look so much better, in my opinion. And it's kind of like the all black look is what I'm going for. Guys, when you're installing these heel guards, be very careful not to cross thread. I came so close to cross threading this one. It was scary. So when you're installing these heel guards, take your time. Make sure they're not cross threading. It has to be smooth. Use it, do it only hand tight. Don't use an impact wrench or tools like handheld tools either, because it's real simple to cross thread these. All of this is aluminum. Man, I got scared for a second, but it didn't cross thread, thank God. All right, so here, this is what this side looks like. This is the exhaust side. Like I always say, don't get rid of your OEM parts. You never know if you're gonna need them. I can't stress that enough. People just say, oh, it's just taking up space, I'm gonna throw it in the trash. And they throw them in the trash. But I'm gonna save my OEM parts. This is what it looks like now. I think that looks so much better. Just this little section right here on the bike looks dope. That M4 ZX10R looks better. I like the ZX10R on the heel guard more than I like it up back here. It looks better to me. All right, let me just keep going. All right guys, so I have the heel guards now installed on the bike, and when I tell you they look good on the bike, on the side that don't have the exhaust, it doesn't look that bad. It looks kind of like, whatever. But the fact that I've taken off the Ninja sign here actually makes it look a bit stealth. The Kawasaki logo is still there, and then the ZX10 is still in the front. If I could, I would take off the ZX10 vinyl on the front and just leave the ZX10 on the heel guard, but that's a whole nother video. So I want to thank you guys for watching this heel guard install on the ZX10. Tell me what you guys think. Is it worth this install, or should I just leave it the way it was with the chrome? The OEM doesn't look that bad, but I want to know what you guys think about this new look. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.